2001 MCQ 42nd question. It's with the conductivity thermal physics, right? We have a rod, well-legged rod with the steady state where everything is seriously arranged, right? Where we have A and B parts with the same material and it has same things. That's mean the K value same, A value same, right? The Q dot also same, but Q dot is same for everyone because it is series, right? Then if I consider A and B parts, right? I can consider the K is same, A is same, Q dot is same. Then we should have same temperature gradient there. Then temperature gradient gives us this is theta and this is the length. The temperature gradient is the right? It's the gradient of this one, right? Then if the temperature gradient is same in A and B, we should have the same slope or the same angle with the x-axis positive direction, right? And other thing, once I'm going with the along the rod, the temperature should be decreased and it should be linear when it's come to the steady state. Then uh, temperature should be decreased and we should have, right, we should have some kind of a difference here because it's a different material. And the C part is made with a poor conductivity material. The poor conductivity material means it's not conduct the heat very well. Then temperature difference is high there. Then we should have linear variation something like this, and we should have for the B also the same gradient something like this. Then once you are considering C, there should be a decreasement, linear decreasement according to this, as well as the decreasement should be very high. Then it should be like this. And it is obvious you can take out answer 3, 4 and 5 due to the variation of it. It can't be a linear straight one because C is another material, then 3 is out. Then temperature cannot be increased with the temperature, with the length it should decrease, then 5 out, and it cannot be curved 4 out, then either 1 or 2, right? But here gap should be high. Well, C is a poor conductor. Then answer is 2.